as a coaching staff, I can't be more proud of the effort that we play with. To come back down from 28-0 is, that's something that is if you ever want proof of the character of our young men, the effort they play with, what they believe in each other, and what they believe in this program, there's no better example than that. Our issue is that we had just, the errors that we made, giving them a 48-yard drive, a 23-yard drive, and a 20-yard drive to go up 21-0 in the first quarter. It's not complicated, turnovers, where the turnovers occurred. Obviously, we continue to hurt ourselves with penalties. And then there's some red zone execution. Obviously, I thought the difference in the game was the red zone, them versus us. All that being said, again, to battle back, to have a chance to win the football game shows that we've got something special in that locker room. We've got something that's worth protecting. The execution part, we had a feeling that would be something that would lag behind the effort as the season, as we got into the season. But it's time for us to look at ourselves as a staff, and we've got to do a better job of getting this execution going quicker. And obviously, we've got an outstanding opponent here Friday night. We don't have a lot of time to lick our wounds and get ready to play here in Virginia on Friday. So with that, I'll open up for questions.